Surviving the Newborn Phase, a guide to sleep, feeding, and diapering. Hello and welcome to Pregit. Congratulations on your new bundle of joy. As a new parent, taking care of your newborn can be overwhelming and stressful, especially when it comes to sleep, feeding, and diapering. In this video, we will share some tips and tricks on how to navigate these challenges and make the transition to parenthood a little smoother. Sleep. One of the most common challenges for new parents is getting enough sleep. Newborns have unpredictable sleep patterns and may wake up frequently throughout the night. However, there are some things you can do to maximize your sleep. First, try to sleep when your baby sleeps. This may mean taking naps during the day, but it can help you feel more rested. Second, establish a consistent sleep routine for your baby. This can help them learn when it's time to sleep and make it easier for them to fall asleep on their own. Lastly, consider co-sleeping or room sharing with your baby. This can make night feedings easier and help you feel more connected to your little one. Feeding. Feeding your newborn can also be a challenge. Whether you choose to breastfeed or bottle feed, there are some things to keep in mind. If you choose to breastfeed, make sure to get plenty of rest, eat a balanced diet, and drink plenty of water to keep up your milk supply. You may also want to consider working with a lactation consultant to ensure proper latching and positioning. If you choose to bottle feed, make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for preparing and storing formula. It's also important to burp your baby after each feeding to help prevent gas and colic. Diapering. Diapering is another essential part of newborn care. Here are some tips to make it a little easier. First, make sure to have plenty of diapers and wipes on hand. You'll be changing your baby's diaper often, so it's important to be prepared. Second, keep a changing station set up with all the essentials you need, including a changing pad, diaper cream, and extra clothes. This can make diaper changes quick and easy. Postpartum care. Finally, it's important to remember that postpartum care is just as important as newborn care. Take care of yourself by getting plenty of rest, eating a healthy diet, and staying hydrated. You may also want to consider working with a postpartum doula or therapist to help you navigate the emotional challenges that come with being a new parent. In conclusion, taking care of a newborn can be challenging, but with a little preparation and some helpful tips, you can navigate sleep, feeding, and diapering like a pro. Remember to take care of yourself, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips from Pregit.